Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to convert a PDF document into Word format. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube, and please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Microsoft Word, and when you're in Microsoft Word, you click on File. When you click on File, you can see all the documents that I have here. But I can't find the PDF document I want to use, so you can click on Open. When you click on Open, you can see here we have our document here. On this document, you can see we have different formats. We have our PDF, but if you still can't find the document you want to use, you can click on Folders. And when you click on Folder, you can just select the folder that the document is located. So let's click on Download here. On my download, I want to use this A Beginner's Guide to Digital Marketing. As you can see, this is a PDF document. So all you have to do is to select it. And when you select it, you click on OK. When we click on OK, you can see that this is how the PDF is now looking. It's now on Microsoft Word. And you can just click on Enable Editing so you can use it. You can see here when we click on Enable Editing, we can now edit this document. You can write, you can do whatsoever you want to do. You can edit it. And when you're done editing, you can now save it as a Microsoft Word document. So this is one method that you can use. Very simple and easy to do. The second method I'll be showing you is to use a platform called ilovepdf.com. This is it. All you have to do is to go to your Google and you search for I Love PDF. It's going to bring you here. Let me show you the step-by-step process. You can just go to Google and type I Love PDF. And when you do that, this is it. You can just click on it here. On this platform, you can convert your PDF document into Word. All you have to do is to come here, you see PDF to Word, and you select it. Then you select the PDF file that you want to convert. Let's say I want to convert this one, and you open. When you upload it, you can now click on Convert to Word. You can see our document is converting PDF to Word. Your PDF has been converted to an editable Word document, and you can see you can click on Download. So this is our PDF right now. It has changed to Word document. So this is the second method that you can use to convert your PDF to Word format. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you for watching.